Hey, I want to talk about in a pandemic. How do you keep your cases, your lawsuits moving? Because we know we have to do that, right? I mean, right now in New York State, the courts are closed through the end of April, but who knows how long they're going to be closed. And right now, the courts are not accepting anything. So even if you try to electronically file something, they will not be accepted by the courts. So the question is, how do we keep our cases moving? Now, number one, I can tell you from just the last 2 or 3 weeks that we've been in a total shutdown in New York, responding to email, and they are serving discovery responses. So we have a big positive. We're still in business, right? But if you need depositions done, how can you get that done when everybody's got to stay at home or work by themselves? The judge Marks in New York State has written to all of the attorneys and posted this that the attorneys should still be moving their cases and using video conferencing for purposes of meetings, mediation, and depositions. So there's no prohibition at all against doing depositions by video conference, and it's super simple. So all you'd have to do, you can sign up for a free account with Zoom. Zoom.com is super simple to ease and easy to use. And if you have a court reporter, a defense attorney, and a witness, you just send out the invitations to each one of them at the designated time. You invite them to join the conference, and voila. Through Zoom, you can record it. The court reporter could be in their kitchen at home typing this, and you just got a deposition. Do I think that this is ideal? Of course not. The ideal thing would be face to face. But do I think that this is something that should be done right now? Absolutely. You have to keep your cases moving. What if we're in a pandemic for 3, 4, or 5 months? We can't afford to have our cases sitting with no progress. So I've reached out to all of our clients. I've spoken to all of them, and I've told them we're working on their cases. I've called our referring attorneys. I've told them the same thing. And I told them that we're currently working hard on preparing discovery responses. We're scheduling depositions, and I have not had a single defense attorney tell me that they will not do anything, depositions or otherwise. So at least at this point, we have some encouraging signs that we can still keep our cases moving. This is not a time of doom and gloom. This is a time to look at the opportunities to make your law firm better and finding the inefficiencies and the problems. So, for example, in my office, I'm taking an inventory of our 21 active files and our 32 potential files, the status of every case. And I'm doing a Zoom video conference every day at 9:30 with our staff who's working remotely. And so we're improving things, and we're adding policies to our fisherpedia.com every single day. So we're using the time to get better, not to moan and groan about the situation. So that's it. And if anyone needs me, I'm here for you. Call me, 518-265-9131. I'm happy to take your call and let me know how you're doing. If you like our YouTube channel, subscribe, share it, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.